Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we continue to wait on the more helpful moisture expected as we get towards the end of this week. We've seen a couple of teases here the last couple of days, including one this morning as precipitation moves out of here, but later this week, better chances of showers and storms, and maybe even a little severe weather. Speaking of severe weather, we have our one storm spotter class going on later on today. This is over in Kearney County at the Axtell Fire Station. The Hastings National Weather Service will start that class at 6:30, and so if you live in that area, would say, hey, get on over there and check it out. You're going to get some good information about storm spotting, severe weather, how you can help out the local National Weather Service and the local emergency manager with storm spotting as well. So you get some good stuff as we get towards that time of the year. And again, maybe our first round of severe weather for a few at least as we get towards tomorrow night. Now this morning, again, as I mentioned, a little teaser precipitation, some light snow and sleet out there. It's now shifting to the east though, and we'll be left with mostly cloudy skies for most areas today. Any extra sunshine would certainly help to warm things up today. Otherwise, just kind of a cool and breezy day. South and southeast winds will be strong, but those winds stay strong out of the south and southeast tonight and tomorrow. So warm, moist air gets drawn northward. So temperatures do not drop much tonight. After midnight, a slight chance of light rain or drizzle. That chance would continue into tomorrow as temperatures really surge tomorrow, the warmest day of the week ahead. We'll see highs climb into the 60s, 70s, and potentially even a few of you, especially off towards the south and southwest, into the 80s for highs on Thursday. Again, not much moisture out there. The atmosphere mostly remains capped through the afternoon hours, but as we get towards Thursday night, that's when showers and storms start to fire up ahead of our low pressure system here. So we're talking about showers and storms, maybe some isolated strong to severe thunderstorm activity. And then as we get into your day on Friday, we transition to even better chances of moisture, but more of a steadier rain, some isolated thunder out there for Friday, which would continue into Friday night as well. This could be a very beneficial rain for many locations, the best we've seen in quite some time. You can see how this continues into Friday night and even into Saturday morning, still keeping some showers around. Now, most forecast models are trying to keep those showers around for a good part of the day on Saturday, especially for the eastern part of the state. Now, first I want to focus on that severe weather threat. The Storm Prediction Center does have a risk out for tomorrow. This is more for tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. A large portion of central and western Nebraska under at least a marginal risk of severe storms, but the best chance highlighted with that slight risk in southwest Nebraska. And the main threats look to be large hail and some gusty winds out there as well. So have to watch for that severe weather threat. I would say anytime after about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, we'll start to see some of those showers and storms fire up in those locations. Now on to the beneficial rains. Now keep in mind this is one forecast model. This isn't a spot-on forecast for how much rain you're exactly going to see. This is more of just kind of letting you know that there's a likelihood that many locations could pick up over an inch of rain out of the upcoming system that passes through, and that would be some great news for many folks. Again, the exact lineup of who's going to see the best chance, some models are leaning more towards the north and west, others more towards the south and the southeast. That'll kind of get ironed out as we get a little bit closer to the system, but the general trend is just that we are going to see some good moisture in many locations, especially in that Thursday night through Saturday time frame. Now ahead, temperature-wise for today, I'll look at that. One of the cooler days we're going to see here for the next couple of days ahead. The low 50s, again, keep in mind, any locations that maybe sneak in a little more sunshine, it could end up being a little bit warmer. We've also got a south and southeast wind, which is usually very helpful for warming things up out there. So I'm going to go with low 50s for now up north. The warmer as you get out towards the west and maybe a little more sunshine out west as well. Could even see some places into the mid and upper 50s for afternoon highs. Low 50s to the south. Again, if we get a little sunshine, maybe mid 50s out there. Again, breezy south and southeast winds, and to the east upper 40s, low to mid 50s. Again, any kind of sun could help warm things up just a bit. Your 7-day forecast, again, a big surge in temperatures. I'm now going to 70s on Thursday here. It is looking more likely we're going to get those temperatures to warm up on the front side of the system. And then, again, slight chances of light rain late tonight, tomorrow, but the better chance will come tomorrow night. Showers, thunderstorms. We'll keep the isolated thunderstorm chance going Friday night, although the severe weather threat goes down, but still probably our best chance of rain if you had to confine it to a 24-hour time frame, Friday and Friday night. Still some showers, though, lingering into the day on Saturday. By Saturday night, that should be out of here, though, and Sunday looking dry as well. It'll be cooler for Saturday, a little warmer on Sunday. I should also mention Friday could see temperatures actually dropping during the day. That 62 could actually be an early day high with temperatures much cooler later in the day. Now, Sunday night into Monday here, I have, if you were watching yesterday, you will notice I have dropped those chances significantly. It's now looking more likely that chance of moisture is going to move to our south. So I only kept a slight chance of light rain around for Sunday night. And then towards Tuesday, our new next chance of precipitation, which is more likely to actually make its way into the area as we get towards Tuesday night and possibly lingering into Wednesday, the next of what could be several low pressure systems that will pass through for the end of the month and into early April. Again, where our weather pattern is changing, it's changing for the better because we're finally talking about some much needed moisture on the way. So there you go. It's a long-winded forecast, but hopefully I got you all the information you needed. If not, of course, you can always feel free to ask me any questions that you may have. So until next time, I am meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have an enjoyable Wednesday.